What is a DAW? Which is the best for music production? DAW, Digital Audio Workstation. It's well known as a software that is used to record, edit and produce audio files. With these, you can produce any song, soundtrack, podcast. Logic Pro X, Apple Users Only Pro. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to beginners. Con, limited accessibility for users on other operating systems. Ableton Live Pro, popular among electronic music producers and live performers, make it a versatile choice. Con, its price and steep learning curve. FL Studio Pro, it has an easy-to-use interface and free lifetime updates. Con, it may not be as robust in MIDI and audio editing capabilities. How do I know which one is the best for me? Each DAW has its pros and cons. So, the most comfortable and easy for you, it's the right one. We recommend that you start with a simple DAW like Ableton Live or FL Studio.